They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. This is me, Harley Quinn. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love is not easy. So I threw myself into my work.
You are really in bad shape upstairs, lady.
Pussy.
Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
Harley Quinn, nice to meet ya. You're ruining date night!
The friends are out there and
Come on, Puddin', do it!
a different person said this dream.
She's crazier than him and more fearless. Will you? Would you die for me? Would you live? But the bet got her too. She's in the same hole as Deadshot.